Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to talk about some things said by another popular YouTuber about short-term rental hosting, or STR, in my case, Airbnb. He feels that you should set a two-night minimum for all your guests. And unless you are in such a desirable area, like your Airbnb is right next to Disneyland, I would say don't do that, because you're going to lose out on a lot of guests. Just some people want to stay for one night, and you're probably going to lose that business. But if your Airbnb is in a really desirable area, and you're not going to lose out on business, then maybe it's okay. But I would say in general, have as few limits as you can on what guests can do, because I think you'll get more guests that way. So I disagree with that advice. He claims that you should ask for a 5-star review from your guests. And from what I understand, I think you can get banned by Airbnb for doing that. You're not allowed to influence the guests in any way about what kind of review you are to get. I can see what he's saying, but it seems rather cheesy to me. Let your service do the talking. Make it impossible so that they don't give you a low score. Be so good that you get the 5-star review. Don't ask for it. I mean, it's kind of lacking in class as well. So be so good that you deserve the 5 stars. And you'll get the 5 stars. He also talked about all the companies that are available to help you with your Airbnb business. And I'm sure they're very good, but I think they're expensive. You're paying that fee. I really recommend hiring your own staff, and then you have more control over the salary you pay. You can train them in the way that you feel is a good way to, for example, clean your guest houses, or, how you want your business run. If you're going to hire a company to do it, they're going to have their own way of doing things, and you may not agree with everything that they do. So I really encourage you to get your own staff, train them well, and have them do the job that you expect of them. It'll be cheaper in the long run. He also talked about doing instant booking, and that was actually the only thing in his video of the 5 things he's learned from hosting. That was the only thing I actually really agreed with. So yeah, definitely turn on instant booking, but make it for verified guests. Make it for guests that already have positive reviews. So if you do that, I think you'll get good guests. And the guests that don't have positive reviews would have to send you an inquiry at that point, and then you could check out their previous reviews, and if they have some negative reviews, you can decline them with no penalty. So yeah, that's about all I have to say at the moment. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.